Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. So, kung hindi mag-resonate sa'yo, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa tayo. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo siya sa Facebook, okay? Kung gusto mo ako mapanood ng live, Unicorn Princess Tarot sa TikTok at Madam P Vlogs sa YouTube. Diyan lang ako magla-live. Please do comment down below, guys. By the way, may naamoy akong lupa. So, I don't know kung malapit ka ba sa lupa. Like, lupa na basa or lupa na mahamog or what. Parang, iba sa inyo, maybe you are a plantita, plantito, babae man or lalaki. Or maybe, habang nanonood ka sa akin, nandiyan ka sa may garden or what. So anyway, this could be a reading. Let's start. For Virgos. For Virgos, please. Wait lang. For Virgos, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. Okay. You do over the Ten of Swords. Ten of Hearts. The Jack of Clover. And the Nine of Clover. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. King of Spade. And the Nine of Spade. Okay, so nakakita ko ng conflict, problema, pero it's like with the Jack of Clover, hindi mo alam kung paano aksyonan, susolusyonan, or kukunin kung ano man yung mga dapat kunin kung ikaw ay may mga dapat. Like for some of you, may mga dapat kang kunin or dapat kang aksyonan pero hindi mo alam. Maybe some kind of ending with the Ten of Spade and the Ten of Hearts. Hindi mo magawa eh. This is like with the Jack of Clover. May mga messages na maaaring sinabi sa'yo na parang dapat aksyonan mo. Pero with the Nine of Clover, nakikita natin ito as like pagsubok sa'yo, challenge sa'yo. Paano mo i-end tong bagay na to na binanggit sa'yo, sinabi sa'yo? You are the King of Swords, like maybe you are someone who is very professional, nasa mataas na position yung iba sa inyo, yung iba naman maybe nasa government. But there's stressful energy here with the Nine of Swords. Okay, or the Nine of Spade. Sinasabi kong Nine of Swords because yun yung katumbas niya sa tarot deck. It's like the Nine of Swords. Okay, so anyway, I feel like sa ano ka na dito eh. Gamay mo na to, kumbaga hindi lang naman isang beses nangyari yung ganitong klaseng problema for you. Kung ikaw ay nasa managerial position, pwedeng hindi lang ito minsan mo nangyari na sa buhay mo. Ilang beses na. Pero ang nangingibabaw kasi sa'yo is the Eight of Hearts. Maybe your emotions. No? Pero yung, don't get me wrong, kasi yung emotions mo na yan, with the Eight of Hearts, yan din yung nagbibigay ng success para sa'yo with the Nine of Diamonds. Yan din. Pero minsan, ito rin yung nagbibigay ng pagsubok sa'yo because napaka-open mo, napaka-mapagmahal mo, I'm seeing a very patient kind of energy. So, Ayun, ito yung nakikita natin na parang nagiging problema sa'yo. Okay, yung emotions mo. Lalo na you do have your 999. Okay, so ito nakakakita tayo dito ng angel number 99. 9, 9, and 9. So, tatlong 9. That's an angel number 999. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, ang gaganda ng combination ng cards mo eh. Magaganda. Okay? So, lalo na nagpakita pa yung angel 999. It's like a lucky number. Swerte ka talagang tao eh. Okay, nandito rin yung king and queen of spade. Okay? Which is, this is you. This is you. King and queen of spade. Nakikita natin na mabilis kang mag-cut off sa isang tao. Pero as much as possible, you would hold on. Ikaw yung tipo ng tao, kahit sa pakikipagrelasyon, kahit sa sa career, as much as possible, there's a lot of patience sa'yo. There's a lot of love, commitment, or sabihin na natin, patience nga, and maybe may emotion na wherein malambot ang puso mo. Parang ganon. Ngayon, once naman na kin-cut off mo, total cut off. Ikaw yung tipo ng taong mabilis ka naman din namang mag-move on. So, ang hirap kasi bago mo naman i-cut off is medyo matatagalan din naman. So anyway, I can see you being a lucky person. Alamin pa natin what are the messages for Virgos. Messages for Virgos. Sa love, ganun din eh. Pwedeng napapatagal din. There's this Queen of Clover, 5 of Spade, and Ace of Spade. Queen of Clover is like, you're still holding on, guys. You're still holding on. Kailangan mo ng change sa buhay mo. To start fresh, to start new with the Ace of Swords. Ngayon, itong Ace of, sorry kung nasasabi kong sword because, ang nakukuha ko kasi dito is yung nasa aking visualizations. Kung ano yung nakikita kong card ngayon is one of the cards na meron ako dito. It's like a tarot deck. Okay? And it's the Ace of Swords. Anyway, nakikita ko ito as like, this is like reversal energy, nakabaliktad. Nakabaliktad yung swords dito. So, ang nakukuha natin dito, hindi mo masimulan or hindi mangyari itong new beginning or malaking pagbabago na ito sa'yo because you're still holding on to something. Nag-hold on ka pa rin. So, ano dapat mong gawin doon? What is the message or what is the advice towards the Queen of Clover, 5 of Swords or 5 of Spade and the Ace of Spade? Ano ang advice on? So, the advice for you is the Ace of Hearts and the King of Diamonds, 9 of Diamonds, and at the bottom of the deck is the Jack of Hearts. Okay. For some of you, you want success. Gusto mo maging successful. I feel like itong reading na ito is more like career. More like sa career ito, no? Ito yung gusto mong mangyari. Gusto mo maging successful, gusto mo ng money, you want to become the King of Diamonds, gusto mo maging successful and at the same time stable, mayaman. Yung iba sa inyo, gusto mo yumaman talaga din. And sino ba naman ang ayaw, You want to be this person with the King of Diamonds energy. 9 of Diamonds is also showing success, a lot of success. Ngayon, ang advice sa'yo is sino ba or ano ba ang mas mahalaga? Ano ba yung mas mahal mo? Ano ba yung, when it comes to pagpapanatili, no? Kasi patient kang tao eh. Maybe may mga ibang tao sa paligid mo na hindi kasing haba ng pasensya mo. For some of you, may mga taong dapat pakinggan mo rin. Lalo na kung sila naman yung mas importante talaga. You know, lalo na with the Jack of Hearts, these are like messages from the people na mas mahalaga sa'yo. Kung ito may kinalaman sa love, maybe these are children. Sila yung dapat mas i-priority mo. Kung sino or dapat yung dapat mong i-cut off mo yon. With the Queen of Spades, this is a cutting off energy. Diba? Kasi hindi ikaw yung nai-stress. Ang mas nai-stress are this Jack of Hearts and the Jack of Clover. Sila yung mas nai-stress. Wait lang guys, ayusin natin. Sila yung mas nai-stress. Diba? And with the Eight of Diamonds, I feel like, and also with the Two of Diamonds, kailangan mo lang magdesisyon. And 8 plus 2 is 10 regarding the ending. So, kailangan mo mag-decision regarding dito para magkaroon ka ng pagbabago with the Five of Clover. Okay, yung Five of Clover is talking about changes na may kinalaman sa pag-aksyon para mangyari yung changes na yon. If you want changes, of course, kailangan mong gawin yung dapat mong gawing action para magkaroon ng pagbabago. Now, what will happen in the near future for you? What will happen in the near future for you? Virgos, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Please do comment down below kung nakaka-relate ka. You do have here the Joker. Actually, I'm not reading reversal. Dito ko lang na-apply sa Ace of Spade because I do feel like this is in reverse. Okay, naramdaman ko yung energy na yan. You do have the Joker. This is for your near future. Six of Clover, Three of Spade, and Ace of Clover is here. Jack of Spade. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Hearts. Natatawa ako sa energy mo. Okay? I can see balance energy in the near future. Whatever you're doing here with the Joker, with the Joker. Kung ano man ito, this could be something na may kinalaman sa new beginning in the near future. May balance dyan. Okay? What is not balance in the near future, ang hindi lang tayo nakikitang balance, is a Three of Swords. Ito yung nagiging problema. With regards to you sa sarili mo, may balance. Kung ano man ito, if you're thinking of adding something, like maybe another source of income, possible. Ayan. May growth with the Seven of Clover. It's not a big growth na ina-expect ng iba pa sa ngayon, hindi pa. Pero nakasilip si Four of Diamonds and Four of Hearts. So, which is this is also a balance energy din yan. 4. Ayan, balance energy din yan guys. And the Seven of Clover, hindi siya big change pero may konting changes, may konting pagbabago. Pagdating sa career, nakakakita tayo dito ng magandang pagsisimula kasi nakikita natin magte-take ka ng risk talaga yung pagte-take mo ng risk, hindi rin naman biglaan, hindi naman din agad-agad. Pero maybe, yun nga, may konting steps pagdating sa new beginning in the near future, pagdating sa iyong career. And nakikita natin ang stability, lalo na 4 na 4 ang nagpakita dito. 444, that's an angel number 444. And sa numerology, number 4 is talking about stability. Maganda yung sinasabi. Maganda yung sinasabi dyan. Okay? May new beginning regarding stability in the near future for you. Yun nga lang, no? Nakita tayo dito ng 3 of Spade. Okay, clarify natin what's with the 3 of Spade. 8 of Hearts. 7 of Hearts. 4 of Clover. And at the bottom of the deck is the 5 of Hearts. Ngayon, ito nagpapakita na naman to ng stability, diba? Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, you have to do something about the 3 of Spade. And in the near future, I do feel like hindi pa rin ito mababago agad-agad. Nandun yung kagustuhan mabago, pero kulang sa desisyon. Okay? So nakikita natin, si 3 of Spade nandun pa rin. Si 3 of Spade, siya yung pananggulo. Siya yung person na hindi deserve na makasama mo, or hindi niya deserve yung like I can see infinity sign, like a forever or a long connection with you. Hindi mo deserve. This is a very toxic person. You need to move on from this. Kasi actually, pag pinatagal mo itong energy na ito, with the 3 of Spade, siya yung pwedeng dumating yung araw, talagang tatraydorin ka. No? So, sabi ko nga, kung gusto mong mabago, ikaw ang gumawa ng pagbabago. You need to cut this off. Okay? You need to move on. Ayan o, nagpapakita ng action. Maybe dito mo simulan. Dito mo simulan sa action na ito. Okay? Ano yung pinaka-action? Kailangan mo lang naman mag-decision with the 2 of Spade. Hindi mo naman ginagawa. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.